5 approaches to acquire weight in a healthy manner. Lots of the humans I meet ask for my advice about the way to drop a few pounds. However, some of my customers are honestly trying to percent on kilos, and it can be not as simple as it'll seem. Each once in a whilst I will read about an actor who had to gain weight for a role, and so they talk about how extraordinary it used to be to down pints of ice cream, pasta, bread, cheeseburgers, and donuts. That is one option to gain weight. Nevertheless, it's no longer the excellent manner. I generally work with clients who've misplaced weight due to dental surgical procedure, a digestive hindrance, stress, or an ailment, and are trying to get back to a healthful weight. And as a physical activities nutritionist, I also work with professional athletes who are inclined to shed weight over the path of a grueling season. In all of these circumstances, the intention is to reap weight even as optimizing health, and there is a science to it. In the end, the historical phrase, "you are what you consume," is undoubtedly authentic. Vitamins and minerals from food are actually the raw materials your body makes use of to construct new cells. A junk food-filled weight reduction plan devoid of nutrients does not supply your physique so much to work with. I always say it's like developing an apartment with cardboard and tape rather than bricks and mortar. In other phrases, it's now not just about energy. 1. Don't let greater than 4 hours go through without consuming. Your physique needs a continuous provide of power due to the fact it can be like an engine that's invariably grew to become on. Your coronary heart is at all times beating, blood is circulating, your mind and muscle mass are working. When you bypass foods, you deprive your physique of the fuel it needs to maintain going. The outcome is a dip into your vigor piggy bank, which unluckily entails muscle mass. The first-rate technique to hinder your body from shedding any main tissue is to consume regular meals, spaced about 3 to 5 hours apart. If you are looking to gain new muscle mass, meal timing is primarily relevant. Normally my clients inform me they eat all the time, but when they truly retaining a food journal they comprehend simply how erratic their patterns are. Consistency is key. Associated, the muscle constructing foods to devour for extra definition. 2. Eat a few foods immediately. Invariably purpose for a minimum of 3 meals companies. Rather of just a banana or a handful of nuts, top a couple of slices of whole grain toast with almond butter and banana slices, which by the way, is Khloe Kardashian's go-to-put-up workout breakfast, together with a pitcher of organic skim milk or a milk replacement. A wider form provides your body with a broader spectrum of vitamins and minerals to work with throughout the day. 3. Eat healthful, however dense foods. The first-rate technique to rack up extra nutrition while not having to eat big quantities of food or motel to junk is to opt for nutrient-rich meals that present plenty of carbohydrates, protein, or fats right into a small serving. Dried fruit is a best illustration. With the water removed, the component shrinks by using about 75%, so a cup of grapes turns into 1/4 cup of raisins. Simply be sure to seam for dried fruits and not using a delivered sugar or preservatives. For an additional nourishing, vigor-packed snack, fold rolled oats, darkish chocolate chips, and minced dried fruit into almond butter. Spoon out portions in regards to the diameter of a quarter, roll them into little balls, wrap in wax paper, and snack on them during the day. Associated, 3 convenient to make protein ball recipes so as to substitute those boring bars. 4. Drink your food. Beverages aren't as filling as solid food, so when you are looking to obtain weight, they can add vitamin without making you believe stuffed or bloated. Just right picks include 100% fruit juice, organic skim milk or milk, possible choices comparable to healthy soy or hemp, and smoothies. Smoothies are best over milkshakes due to the fact that you would be able to bolster them with all kinds of excellent stuff like wheat germ, nut butter, carrot juice, and protein powder. Are attempting Emma Stone's high-calorie, submit exercise smoothie for gaining lean muscle. 5. Consume correct before mattress. Plenty of our remedy, repair, and regeneration take position at the same time we sleep. It can be like rush hour for constructing muscle and lean tissue, so eating a healthful snack proper before mattress ensures a recent deliver of nutrients which might be on hand to go to work inside the physique. A satisfactory choice that will not go away you feeling stuffed. Probably a small bowl of pasta salad made with 100% entire grain pasta, wheat or a gluten-free substitute, French dressing made with extra virgin olive oil, chopped or shredded veggies, and a lean protein akin to beans, chopped chook breast, or a natural crumbled cheese.